Hi everybody, this is Samim Khan. Welcome to my channel from Samim Spoken English. Today I will teach you how to speak English on the telephone as well as to use sentence. Today I have brought a lot of interesting emotional words, but I will clarify every word individual. Call up, pick up, put through, hold on or hang on, get back, call back, switch off, turn on, breaking up, speak up, hang up, get off. New word, call up. A call up means to talk, call someone or call me, like I feel like calling my friend. See the translate. How do I use call up? Example: I need to call up my friend. I need to call up my dad. I need to call up my mom. See the second translation of the same word. As it has been a long time I have not spoken to Afroz, but today I will call him. Then you can speak new English. Second example: today I will call up Afroz. I have not spoken to him for a very long time. New word, pick up. Pick up does not mean pick up the phone, but a pick up means like my phone is keep on the table, then pick it up. But I am discuss here to attend to receive the phone. See the translate. How do I use pick up? First example: yesterday I called up you, but you didn't pick up my call. Here to every word that you come up with, every word will come repeated and repeated, but there is no reason for it to be confused because I am clarifying each word differently. Example: see the second translation of the same word second. If someone is calling up me, I tell to my friend, go and pick up the call, like I am not available there. Every word model that I have come up with in word is stylish, but every word is verb. Like we keep coming back, repeated and repeated in our lips. Styles, dresses, stylish, hair stylish, watch stylish, shoes stylish, everything etc. To means to talk, like I called up Raju, like mom picked up my call. Can I talk to Raju? She said so. I will put you through the Raju. She will put me through the Raju. One boy said in the comment, how do you talk in English on the telephone? I don't remember the name of that boy. New word, hold on or hang on means telling someone to stop for 1 minute. Both are same meaning, there is no change in it. If you want you can use hang on, if you want you can use hold on. See the translation. How do I use hold on? Raju is speaking with someone. Could you please hold for a minute? See the second translation of the same word. Second example: will you put me through the manager? She said so. Can you please hang on for a minute? New word, get back. Get back means call back with any information. So get back, there we will use that without any information that anyone wants to talk to me. He is given a thrift through somebody that you get him a call back. See the translation. How do I use get back? Example: I will let him know to get back to you. See the second translation of the same word. Second example: like I called up the manager. Can I talk to manager? She said, I'm really sorry, here is not available, but I will let him to know. Call to back means call back. He called me without anyone telling me. Suddenly he called me back. See the second translation of the same word. Second example: I called up Murtaza. He said, having the lunch, having had the food, I call you back. Actually, I had called him and I wanted to talk to him. It didn't happen that anyone would tell him, then he would call me. With whom I know to talk. New word, switch off means is to turn off the phone. See the translation. How do I use what happened? Your phone is coming switch off these days. Then he told me that my phone has a technical fault that we speak in English language glitch. glitch, glitch. Then he told me, see the second translation of the same word. Second example, I keep switching my phone on and off because I don't get signal. New word, turn on means is to turn on the phone. See the translation, how do I use? Now you can turn on your mobile. As you travel in flight, you are given communication that you now turn on your phone. When you hear this from next, you will understand. New word, breaking up. Breaking up means suddenly started, his voice is breaking up. Like you are talking to someone, suddenly his voice is cut off while talking. Then you can speak. What happened? Your phone. Your voice is breaking up. You have to speak by putting a little space in the middle. If you will not speak by putting space, you will speak directly, then the people in front will not understand. You have to speak. What happened? Your phone. Your voice is breaking up. So I said by putting a space. New word, speak up. Speak up means speak a little. See the translation, how do I use? Like suddenly started, his voice is breaking up. Then you can speak. Example, first example, please speak up. You cannot use it here. Please speak loudly because it will be a bit wrong and you are talking on the telephone. New word, hang up. Hang up means keep the phone. See the translation, how do I use? Like if you are talking to a person, then that person has a lot of emergency, his example is going to come, then you have to speak. Example, sorry, I need to hang up the call. Then he will speak. Second example, why do you have to cut the call? Why do you have to hang up? Third example, my mom is telling me to get off the phone and study for exam. मुझे आशा है कि आप लोगों को ये वीडियो ज़रूर पसंद आई होगी, तो सब्सक्राइब करें समीम स्पोकन इंग्लिश को और बेल आइकन को ऑन कर लें ताकि हमारी इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो सबसे पहले आपको देखने को मिले. ओके गाइस, आई विल मीट यू सून ऑन नेक्स्ट वीडियो इंशाल्लाह.